Lock the door. They be all up under me. I'm gonna insert a little video to show you how they be all up under me. It's funny, but then at the same time, get out! I thought I locked my door. I moisturized and treated all of my hair except these two braids. So I'm about to do that now, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig. And I let my hair air dry, so I need to blow dry this a little bit before I take that one out. I'm gonna blow dry it some. Okay, it was just mainly the roots that needed to be blow dried. And I'm gonna grease my scalp. I'm gonna do this part too, but I just have it separated. So I'm gonna grease my scalp with my sulfur 8. And I don't put as much product on this section of my hair because this is the part that's gonna be flat ironed. So eventually it'll get weighed down with products, but I try not to have it look like that initially when I do it. Even though this grease is gonna weigh it down some. Because the grease really does help with my scalp flaking up, because my scalp will get flakes. Okay, I went ahead and blow dried the rest of my hair off camera. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this moisturizer on it. I'm probably gonna regret it, but I need some type of moisturizer on, some type of lightweight moisturizer. And what I'm gonna do is I still have to braid 2 braids on each side to be my anchor braids for the U part that I'm gonna sew on in the end. So this is the only little part that I'm twisting up now. That's the only part that I am going to flat iron. So basically that's my leave out. It does have a little heat damage already, but story of my life, heat damage. If you know, you know. Put a part here, and these are where my 2 braids are gonna connect. Who is that? Is that you, Brax? What you want? Get that out your mouth. You know, you being good? You being good?
Yeah.
You listening?
No.
Why not?
I can't listen.
You can't listen?
No.
Why you can't listen?
Okay.
Okay. What? You closed it.
Huh?
You closed the door.
Yeah. Mommy, what's this? I can do that. How is this light? This light. This light.
What light?
This light. This is a box.
Alright, I'm gonna leave this little braid here because I'm gonna connect it to the other braid. I'm gonna braid on the side, so I'm just gonna clip this in place so it don't come loose. Chicken nugget?
Yeah. Mommy?
Yes? You want to do a video? What kind of video you want to do? Okay, we're on the home stretch. So I normally put this braid with this braid, but I didn't do that. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take this crochet hook. I'm just going to crochet it through So putting it through there, closing the hook, and putting it through there. There we go. So this is the wig. I washed it and I put these rollers in it. It's a body wave wig. I'm gonna link it again below. But I put these rollers in it and I put it under the dryer, the blow dryer, or the hair dryer attachment for the blow dryer. And I just set it there. So it was nice and dry. It only took like an hour sitting under there to be dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rollers out. I just said it was nice and dry. It's not nice and dry. It's not nice and dry. But because it's body wave, if it's just a little wet, it's still gonna hold some curl because it's a body wave. It's not just straight hair. But the wig cap is dry, which is important. But this is gonna air dry just by me wearing it. Yeah, that's not dry. That's all right. We've been here before. The inside is dry. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna just sew it on just like this. It's pretty much clip it into place while I thread my needle because I don't have my needle threaded yet. I want to remind you what I said in my get ready with me video is that I cut the combs out because I will only wear this sewn on because the combs irritate my scalp. Benjamin, you getting ready for the obstacle course? Okay. Lock the door. They'll be all up under me. I'm gonna insert a little video to show you how they be all up under me. It's funny, but then at the same time, get out! I thought I locked my door. Okay, now the door locked. Anyway, I'm gonna insert a video to show y'all how they be all up under me.
Both our blacks, right? Both $9.95.
When I'm in the bathroom, doing my hair, doing my makeup, I have 2 sons, 5 and 2, and a husband. No other girls in the house. They be all up under me. I feel like this is gonna be a long video for no reason. Okay, time to sew this on. So I just start from the ear right here, which is gonna start here as far as the U, but I'm gonna do the sides. I'm gonna sew down the sides. I just sew it on so it stays. I'm not really good at this part. As you can see, I probably put the thread too deep, but that's okay. It's gonna stay. That's the point. It's for it to stay. Okay, so I got it sewn on. Hold on, my child is crying. Can mommy finish doing her hair? Okay, come on.
I see poo-poo.
All right, go back downstairs, okay? I'm almost finished, okay? I think I bought myself a few minutes. Now it's time to flat iron. The flat iron I'm using is a flat iron I use in every last one of my videos. This flat iron I've been having for over 10 years. And it works like a charm. Let me comb this through. This was my heat protectant, by the way. By Cantu. It's called Thermal Shield. If you're new here, you don't know what flat iron I'm talking about. But it's called Argan Only. Same flat iron. I have it on 15. I don't know how many degrees that is. But look at that. Let's go through the root one more time. Now, you saw me put that grease on my scalp, so it's going to be a little heavy looking. You can kind of see that already. It's not going to be like a silk press. Okay. Almost finished. I get excited because that means I don't have to touch my hair again, other than like putting flexi rods in it at night, every other night, or pin curling it. I don't have to touch it again until like for another 2 weeks. So I love this method. I'm blow drying the U part. See my back kind of. See, my hands are kind of greasy, so it's gonna put a little bit of grease on this wig because I have grease on my hair. Yeah, I don't know how this look for real, Cause I feel like this side look one way and this side look a whole different way. Get it uniform. So yeah, this is the finished look. I think it looks fine. It doesn't. This look is definitely reminiscent of my clip-ins on Braids video, one of my most popular videos. I'll link it in this video to remind you, or if you haven't seen it before, you guys go check it out. But this is like the upgraded version of that, me sewing on a U-part wig to my hair. This is the upgrade version of clip-ins on Braids. Go check it out if you haven't had a chance. But this is the finished look. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video and for remaining subscribed to me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to me to check out my hair journey for my thinning hair and how I'm treating my thinning hair, so you guys check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless.